Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, guys. This card is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. So it is house, tree, and mice. So Libras, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in this relationship, maybe this person. So they are trying to use you in some ways. They are here with you, maybe to use your skills and talents or your finances. So they do not have true love on you, guys, maybe for some of you. But for some of you, it may be true love. You are working to build a secure relationship, stable relationship, that perfect understanding. You're working hard to bring that understanding in this relationship, guys. And there are people who are against you both, and they are maybe talking against you, trying to separate you both. Maybe they are spreading rumors or some kind of gossips because they want to make use of your skills or talents or finances. So they are trying to move this person away from you, move this person you love away from you. But I also see, Libras, that you are trying hard to build a strong foundation in your career and in your relationship. So, whatever needs to be done, you are doing that today, guys. So, that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. Mountain. So, in your situation, guys, there are lots of obstacles or hurdles for you to overcome in your situation. Things are, taking a difficult turn, and you need to make lot of efforts to overcome these troubles or obstacles that you're facing. Maybe people are trying to separate you. That is what I saw with the previous cards. Maybe they are spreading rumors, trying to come in between you and this person. So they are working against you in some ways. So you need to be careful, guys. Maybe if you have an idea who it will be, you need to be away from this person. So let's see what is a card for your career situation. It is garden. So with this card, guys, you have people working with you as a team. You have a good team support in your work, and you are working together with your dreams and goals. You may have common dreams and goals, aspirations, guys, in your career situation, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Libras, if you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card, and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons what we are supposed to learn. When we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys, and this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with the guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today. Something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seraphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts. But today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.